Okay, we just make a little video today. Been working on the front end. Just show you what we've been up to. This is the center link and everything for the front end. Took it all apart, cleaned it, all the rust off of it, painted it. I'm waiting on new hoses. These hoses that go into this controller and all that. Put new hoses in it. And this ram was the one I picked up, and my spare part. This is the old ram. It's pitted and rusty, and need to be replaced. Okay. Just give you an idea of what kind of shape the old parts were in. They're in pretty bad shape. Here's the upper and lower control arms. I'll show you, here's the tie rod ends. I ended up having to sawzall these off. They're about useless. And there's the lower control arms, upper control arms. Put them in the scrap pile. And here we are. See where we're at. Everything's stripped down now. Getting ready to strip it and paint it. Over here. Same deal over here. Strip it and paint it. Here's the engine. It's full of fluids and everything when I got it. It just needs some painting and stuff, cleaning up. That's what we're going to do later on today. Alright, so this is going to be the before video. See the firewalls and everything. This is all going to be fixed up, painted up. I'm going to fix it all up. Okay, this is a before video, and we'll see you later with the after video.